Hi guys, welcome back to Tactic Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to select English language on Duolingo. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, if you install Duolingo on your app, it will automatically detect the country you are in. And of course, depending on the country, it will suggest or it will run on that language. Now, if you want to select the English language as a unit or a course to take, you can easily add that over here on the top by clicking the original course that you have selected throughout your usage of Duolingo, and then you could click on Add Course, and you could add here English or English. That is how you will be able to select Singlish language in Duolingo. And aside from that, there isn't other ways on how you will be able to do this. You could also create a new account and select English as your main language. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.